Hey guys, Minecraft Jacks, we're back with another video, and today we're playing some Floppy online, I guess. Ooh, fireworks! Oh, no! Okay, well, now that I got a screen recorder, I will be playing lots of games. Lots of games. Oh, there's people online, see? Up at the top, you can see the different colors. Stop messing with me. No! Wait, he's about to die. Wait, you'll see. Oh, man. Well, oh my god. This game is so annoying. I just wanted to play it to show you guys. Oh my god. Well, the concept is that the more, like, say if I make it to 2, 5, or 6, that's how much coins I get, and I can buy new birds with it. And the highest bird is a zombie bird. Can I at least make it to 10? No! Ooh. Okay. No! I was trying to go for the diamond. The emerald, whatever it is. Yeah, I'm so quiet because I'm concentrating. If I was good at this freaking game, I would probably talk. No. I don't care. No, I'm just gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Don't forget to slap that like button. Peace out.